Okay, our next exercise for Becca for getting length into the hamstrings, the low back and the upper back, is a little loaded hamstring stretch. So similar to our pancake stretch that she was doing, this time we don't have the hip externally rotated. We're trying to fold forward with a good exhale. Once she reaches her end range, she's going to flex that quad as hard as she can and pull a wee bit deeper. And then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. She comes up nice and tall, and then she's going to let those shoulders open up and twist. So left shoulder is going to move back. That's it, and let the upper body twist and open, and that should feel, yep, that feel pretty good. No row, don't need to row, just to stretch and back round. Good, and then straight back into your hamstring. So breathe in, breathe out, fold forward in a passive range. So there's no real tension here, guys. She's just sinking forward as she can. Again, breathe in, breathe out. Flex the quad hard, sink a wee bit deeper. That's better. 3, 2, 1, back up tall, and then stack those shoulders as you twist. Lovely, Becca. One more. So come back up to the top, so long through here and then fold forward. Feel the difference? And now the pelvis moved. Lovely, that's better.